Hello guys, welcome to JAMB Use of English tutorial. This is the first video you are shooting on JAMB Use of English, and of course consequently we are going to be uploading the other videos on all topics and all subjects that have to do with JAMB. All right, so we have discovered that over the years a lot of students neglect English language. They see it as what they speak every day, as what they hear every day, and so do not give it so much importance. They neglect it. JAMB Use of English is very easy to pass and it is very easy to fail. Now, compare a student that scored 80 in JAMB Use of English and a student that scored 40 in JAMB Use of English. The student that scored 80 in JAMB Use of English, if the student scores like 40 in the other three subjects, 40, 40, 40, that is 120 already. 120 plus 80 is 200. The person has gotten a good JAMB score. The person that scored 40, if the person scored 40 in other subjects, imagine what the person might have gotten. An abysmal result. So you have to make sure that you take JAMB Use of English very seriously. Like I have hinted, it is easy to pass and it is very easy to fail. Today, we are looking at the structure of JAMB English examination. The structure of JAMB English examination. This tutorial is brought to you by O3 Schools JAMB app. This is the best CBT practice app out there. It is available for Android phones and also available for computers. To activate this app so that you can get the full functionality is just 2,500 naira. In case you have trust issues, simply make your payment, go to your app, click on activate after downloading. If you head to Play Store right now, go to Play Store, search for O3 Schools JAMB app, download the latest version of the app, click on activate, then you will see at the top buy activation key. Buy activation key. So when you go to buy activation key, you are going to see three options. The first option there is Google Pay. The second option is pay with your debit card. You can pay with your card without even needing to call anybody. And the third option is to make transfer to our bank account number. If you see there, the bank account number is O3 Schools. It is O3 Schools. Do not transfer to any other account if it is not our bank account. O3 Schools is a fully fledged registered business in Nigeria. So it is not fraud, it is not scam. It is to help you to what? To pass your examination. A lot of people will say, I downloaded the app, but why do I still need to pay again for it? It is because the intellectual stress that have gone into making that app is very, very, very much. It's very, very much. First of all, to make an app, some of you know what it takes to make an app, even if maybe you are just, if I send students, you basically know. Then even if you are in the art areas, I've seen a lot of art students who are into tech also, so they know what it takes to build an app. After building the app, then now comes to, okay, putting the intellectual understanding into the app, sourcing for questions, looking for experts in different fields to answer those questions, to make sure you get the best answers to your question. So it's usually very, very, very difficult. So 2,500 naira is just a small token you are paying to appreciate us for our efforts. So please feel free, go to Play Store, download the app, activate it, practice for all subjects. Once you pay 2,500 naira, all subjects will be fully open for you. All right, so let's go ahead. O3 Schools JAMB app. We have talked about O3 Schools, but let's talk about the structure of what JAMB English examination. How are their questions set? So the first section, there are three sections in English, in JAMB Use of English. The first section, go to the section A. Section A is comprehension and summary. And summary. The first section there is what comprehension and what and summary. So in this under the comprehension and summary, we have a divided into we are going to have one comprehension passage, and there are going to be what 5 questions under it. Now you have seen that you see that you have to prepare yourself for a comprehension passage, and 5 questions are being set under what that comprehension passage. All right, the other one again, the B part is one close CLOZE passage. What's the closed passage? A closed passage is a reading comprehension exercise whereby words or letters are omitted in a systematic fashion. Then your own responsibility is to what? Is to find those words, those missing words, and make sure that they match the words that are missing in the sentence. Let me give you an example. An example is when we are giving e.g. say recycling. If you see something like this, recycling is important because it helps to avoid. So you see something like this: UNN one dash 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 ROY waste and protects the EN 1 2 3 4 5 6 ENT. So under this closed passage, you are going to have like 10 questions. So we are going to have what? A comprehension passage, one comprehension passage. 5 questions will be asked under the comprehension passage. We are going to have a closed passage. So 10 questions will be asked under this closed passage. So for example, now recycling is important because it helps to avoid what? If you know what I'm doing, you already know that what this is what unnecessary waste, and protect the environment. Isn't it? So it's as simple as that. So something like this will be brought. So you have to make sure that you have the intellectual capacity to reason what to fit into those dotted lines. That's a closed passage. All right. So the third part is the one reading text. One reading text. This one reading text is the life changer. The life changer. It could be any novel, but currently, as at the time of shooting this video, is this life changer they are using. So over the years, there's the Independent and so many and so forth. Your own may be different. So, but understand that this is the structure of JAMB English examination. So this is the first session, session A, one comprehension passage, 5 questions. B, one closed passage having 10 questions. Then C, one reading text. So the text may be different in your own time, but as at the time of shooting the video, it is It is life changer. So under this reading test, how many questions will be set? 10 questions will be asked. 10 questions will be asked under this reading text. All right, that's the first section, session A. Now let's see the second section. That is the section B. Section B. So the section B is Lexis and Structure. Section B is Lexis and Structure. Under this Lexis and Structure, there are 4 parts. 4 parts to Lexis and Structure. The first one, A, is sentence interpretation. You know what sentence interpretation is, isn't it? Right? You'll be given a sentence, you'll be given options. The best that best interprets that sentence or the word that you are given. So, for example, how many questions will be set here? 5 questions from sentence interpretations. I'm going to see 5 questions from sentence interpretation. Then B, I'm going to see antonyms. You know what antonyms are? Words that are opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. How many questions are going to see from antonyms? 5 questions. Then C, we are going to see synonyms. Synonyms will also bring us 5 questions. So D is basic grammar. Basic grammar, we are going to see 10 questions only. So this is section B, Lexis and Structure. Sentence interpretation, 5 questions. Antonyms, 5 questions. Synonyms, 5 questions. Basic grammar, 10 questions. Now, we'll now go to the last section, which is section C. So the section C, for the section C, we are going to have 5 parts to it. The first part is vowels. Vowels. So we're going to have 2 questions from vowels sounds. Then the second part, consonants. We're going to have 2 questions from consonants. The third part is rhymes. Rhymes. I'm going to have 2 questions from rhymes. Then you're going to have the word stress. Word stress is one part of English that students never get to understand fully. But some of you are very, very smart, and you that are watching the video are very smart, so you can easily get what? Word stress. So E, emphatic stress. Emphatic stress, 2 questions will be asked. So these are what the 5 parts to what? To oral forms. Oral forms. Section C is what? Oral forms. Oral forms. So the first part is vowel sounds, 2 questions. Consonant sound, 2 questions. Rhymes, 2 questions. Word stress, 2 questions. Emphatic stress, 2 questions. By the time you add all the questions together, you are going to see a total of 60 questions from English language. 60 questions. So imagine you get all the 60, you get all your 100 mark complete, right? So it's over 100, right? So if you score 40, forty out of the 60, it's 40 over 60 times 100, isn't it? 0 cancel 0, right? 2 here, 3, 2 here was 5. So you can you see? When I do mathematics, I don't want to press calculator. That's why I'm doing this. So this is actually 200 over 3. If you divide, 3 can go into 6, divide that 2. So I'm going to have like 66 points or 66 marks in English. So if you score 40, it's actually divide, because there are 60 questions, right? So, but it is mark over 100. So if you score 40 questions, if you get 40 correctly out of the 60, to 40 divided by 60 times 100, you can press your calculator. Don't mind this nonsense I'm doing. I love mathematics, that's what I'm doing. So, please take your JAMB Use of English very seriously. This is the structure of what JAMB Use of English, and this is how what they select for their questions. So we're fortunate enough to see very, very, very easy thing. We're going to treat all the topics in English language, and of course we are going to and make sure that what you are successful in your English language examination. So stay glued to this channel. Get your O3 School JAMB CBT app right now. Download it, activate it, and start practicing. If you want to see testimonies from the JAMB app for last year, do not worry. Just search for our channel on YouTube, search for O3 Schools, and then look for the testimonies. You will see a lot of testimonies, massive testimonies from last year JAMB. So do not joke with it. Make sure you have your app fully activated, and make sure you start practicing today. All right, so that is where we'll leave you. The next time you are going to see me in English, it may not be me, it may be somebody else, but please make sure that what you pay full attention and you pay full seriousness to your studies. See you at the top.